what is calligraphy first, and then we'll move ahead to tune part. Okay? Yeah, calligraphy is something when we write beautiful and interesting alphabets in different kind of manner with different pens, and when we make them the letters really interesting. Okay, so today what we are going to do, we are going to add some doodling or characters part to our calligraphy or our alphabets, which will become tune calligraphy. Okay, so now we are going to learn that part. So I guess it's too many days by learning calligraphy, right? We have learned really days back, right? So today we are going to learn it and we'll make interesting stuff. Yeah. What are the materials required for this calligraphy? You need just rule notebook and colorful. If you have crayons with you right now, that is also fine. If you have sketch pens right now, that is also fine. And or if you have pencil colors, that is also fine. Okay, we don't need brush pens for this part, right? Because we are doing something different instead of brush calligraphy. Okay, so we just need, if you have sketch pens, that will go really great. And rule notebook. Rule notebook is just this sleeping lines notebook, like it is also known as one line notebook. Okay, so you can also go for that as well. So now I'm going to spotlight my work notebook. Are you before that, I just want to know, are you all excited to learn this part? I hope you all are. Yeah, I can see a thumbs up. So I just need your smiles and beautiful thumbs up on the screen with your hands. Okay, I want to see your thumbs up and smile. Great, great, very good. I can see a lot of kids are excited to learn this thing. Very smart. So now I am, yeah, very good, Barkha. Now moving ahead to the next part, I'm going to show my notebook, and we are going to learn the concept of tune calligraphy. And you know, it is really interesting. You are going to learn something interesting today. And after this, after the alphabets, I'm going to tell you the graffiti, how the tune alphabets, how to join the tune alphabets. Okay, that is known as graffiti. So if you have plain paper, you have to make the lines, right? You can make the 2 centimeter lines, and then you can horizontal lines. If you have a plain paper, you can make 2 centimeter gap horizontal lines, and then you can write down then you can write down the calligraphy. But yeah, if you have rule notebook, that is really simple, and you will learn it in a better way in the rule notebook. Okay, great. So let's move ahead with the things. I am going to spotlight my other work so that we can. Okay, I guess now you all can see my notebook. Yeah, I guess you can see my notebook. So what we are going to do, yeah, you have to follow up this stuff. Okay, you have to follow up that what I am telling you, and then we will start up. So everybody is ready? Everybody can see my notebook? Show me a thumbs up if you can, and then we will move ahead. Great, I can see a lot of thumbs up here. So we are moving ahead to the part now. Here is a rule notebook. I am going to move step by step. You just listen me and move ahead. Okay, it will be easy going. Yeah, so here I am going to start with your, like, I am going to take this part only. Just a sec, Tanisha. Okay, loudly. You need me to be a little loud. Okay, for sure. Now I guess it'll be fine. Okay. So now what we are going to do is, this is the space where we are going to write down our alphabets. How we are going to write down? We are going to mark lines in which we are going to write down a particular alphabet. Okay, because it will really help you to place your alphabet, and the height of all alphabets should remain equal. So we are going to mark it up. So let's write down. Okay, here I'm marking 1. Leave 1 line and mark 2. You can do it with the pencil or a pen, whatever you have right now. Okay, and then leave 1 line and mark 3. In this way we are going to this will be the first line, this will be the center line which will help us, and this will be the last line on which we are going to end up our alphabet. Okay, great. So I'm going to start with capital A, right? Today we are going to learn a capital series, and tomorrow we are going to learn a small letters, that means lowercase series. Okay, today we are going to do the uppercase series. So I hope you all get it. Now I am going to be colorful. I'm going to use different colors while making the alphabets, because being colorful makes it more appealing. Okay, so you can also choose any color of sketch pen, any color, and then you can do it in your own personal way. There is no compulsion that you have to use a particular color, but yeah, you should have a black sketch pen with you. Okay, black or some darker one, like any darker one, though you can have a gray also, as I'm going to use a gray or a black, any darker. I have a black or a gray, you can use either of it. Yeah, we need any dark color, any different color, and one dark color. Okay, is it fine, everyone? Yeah, that's really fine. If you use the black, if you use brown one, that is fine. Okay, moving ahead to the next part. Before moving ahead, I want to tell you one thing, that will be a shadow thing. Okay, how we can add a shadow to the alphabet. Okay, let's see. Suppose, look, first we are going to make alphabet A. Can you repeat? Yes, those who all have joined right now, we are just we are doing alphabet tune calligraphy. Okay, so here what we are going to do is, we have marked 3 of the lines. We are going to make alphabet A. Look here, the ends of the alphabet should be always rounded up, rounded, come down, make a triangle like this. Yeah, make a triangle like this. Again, make a rounded, make this part, and again make a rounded part. Okay, yeah. Now what you can do is, we can make a small triangle here like this. Now we are going to make it little interesting by adding, look, this is something which is our own imaginary part, how we can add our alphabets interesting, and how we can make them with the impressions. Okay, yeah. Sinchana, I'm just making alphabet, and I'm just making a simple alphabet, and we'll add on the tune part to it. Check it out. I am making a beautiful eyes here. Okay, I'm making a beautiful eyes here. If you have a black sketch pen, you can continue making it with the black sketch pen. One can be a little bigger, one can be a little interesting, smaller, and then add a eyebrow part to it. Yeah, make it interesting. The eyes should be interesting. Okay, we are going to, yes, you can use the pencil color also if you want to. Now what you are going to do, we are going to add a smile to it, a beautiful smile to it. Is that fine? And add a beautiful smile to it. Yeah. After this, what you can do is I am going to tell you the shadow concept. Okay. What is the shadow concept? Check it out. Okay. I'm going to write down with this color. This is an alphabet. Everybody is done till here. Show me a thumbs up if you're done till here. Okay, great. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add on a okay, no. Okay, you can do it, Shamita. I'm waiting for you. You can do it. Okay, add on an eyes part to it. Like the black part should be down and the white part should be up. You can make it as much interesting as you can. Okay. After this, we are going to add a shadow part. Look here, kids. Suppose this is our alphabet. Okay, and light is coming from this side. Suppose this is our light, and the light rays are coming from this side. Okay, suppose the light rays are coming from left side, so the shadow will always be on the right side. Is that fine? Whenever we are going to add a shadow to the alphabet, if the shadow will come from the left side, you just have to add on the alphabet shadow to the right side. So how we are going to add on a shadow? First shadow we are going to add at this part here, and the other shadow which we are going to add is on this part. Done. So this is a 3D letter with a shadow, and it will be a toon letter. Okay, how we are going to make it a little more toon, we'll let you know. Firstly, fill up this one. Okay, now after this, I am going to add a hat to my letter A. Oh, a cap. I am going to add a cap to my letter A. Okay, so you can make it as much interesting cap as you can. So I've made it in this way. You can add on any way, like you can add on any way. And now I'm going to take a yellow color and will fill all the alphabet. You can take any light color or you can do it with the same color. Okay, it's up to you. It's everything is up to you. What do you want to fill inside? It's up to you. Okay, if you want to fill it up with the light blue color, then also it is fine. Though I'm okay, if I'm filling up with the light blue color, you can also fill it up with the crayons if you have. It's up to you. So I have filled up with the light blue color. You can fill it up with any color you want. Okay, I hope my A is looking good. Yes. Okay, you can make it you can make it more interesting in your cap by adding some other color in this way. Okay, so this is a toon alphabet A. We are going to make something more interesting in the B and in the C. We have a lot of things to learn today. Okay, continue writing, everyone. And everyone, show me your A, please. I want to see. If you want to draw a hat on A, that is also fine. That is also like, there is no issues. Great. Everybody show me your A. I want to see your A. Very good, Sinchana. Your A is looking good. Very good, Hardik. You have to, oh wow, very nice. 36, 38, Rajvi. Very good. It's looking good. Very nice, Ankita. You can make a letter more big, Ankita. Very good, Freya. Very nice. Okay, I can see a lot of kids are done. Your color is really beautiful, yellow and blue, Sonakshi. Good. And someone has done with the pencil also. That is also looking good. I guess Gitanjali, very good. Vashitha is very good. Okay, moving ahead to letter B. How we are going to make letter B? Eyes on Nam's work, everyone. Now I'm going to use some different colors. Suppose I'm using a yellow color. Okay, how to make a letter B? Look here. Start a standing line from this part. Look here, I'm starting from the second line. The line I have left a gap and making a rounded B till here. Okay. Now again, a rounded B till here. Okay. You can make it a little more rounded by adding like this. Yeah. I've just made it an outline. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a small D here. 1 and 2. Okay. Just 3, 1 and 2. I've just made 3, 1 and 2. You have to make 3. Make a standing line, make 3 and join rounded. That's it. Okay. Now, what I am going to do is I am going to add my eyes. Let's add eyes here. Okay, I'm going to add my beautiful eyes here. 1, and I'm going to make it little interesting also. Look here. 2. And yes, the eyebrows will be here. 1, and then one eyebrow is going this side up. So I'm going to make my B a little more funny and interesting. Okay. And let's make a smile like this. 1 and 2. That means my B is laughing smartly. Okay. My B is laughing a little smartly. And you can also make it in that way. After this, what we can do is we are going to add a shadow. Okay, let's make a round ear because my eyes are also interesting. Okay. Beautiful, Anvi. Beautiful. Your smile, your eyes are looking really good. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a shadow. I'm going to add a shadow. Yes, you have 2 options of adding shadow. You can either add with the same color as we did in A, or you can add with a different color as we are doing in B. Now you just check it out. Okay, the light is coming from left side. So we are going to add a shadow on the right side. Look here how we are going to add a shadow. 1, and then from here 2, in this way. And then we are going to add a little more shadow here, and then little more shadow here. So what I am going to do, firstly, I am going to fill it with the yellow color, with the same color. You can fill with any of it. You can fill with any of it. I am going to fill it with same color because I have made a outline with different color. Okay, if you have made your outline with a different color, then you can fill it up same color in it. If you have made the outline with a darker different color, then you can make your eye filling up with the same color. Is that fine, everyone? I hope you all are getting my point, because like whenever we are going to add our shadow to the different color, the B should look more interesting. Okay. You can also you can also do it in the opposite way. Like it's up to you how you want to add on a shadow. What I'm going to do it, I am going to fill my shadow properly like this. 1, and then like this. 2, and the other one will be The other one will be here. Okay, I've made already here. Yeah. So can you see your B is interesting? Like I'm having my B little interesting, and yes, we can add a little more this side also so that we can get it that this part is also out. Okay. So you can also do this thing. It will give a good effect. Yeah. Now it is looking interesting. Can you see your B? Like my B is looking good. We can also add a legs to it if we want to. We can add a shoes here. Yeah, in this way, and fill it up with the yellow here and with the gray or a black at the down here like this. It's up to our feeling how we want to make our alphabet more interesting. As my B is smiling, or we can say it is laughing, right? So my A was smiling, my B is laughing. We have our own choice that how we can add on a expression to our alphabet. Okay, we can add anything instead. We can add different like I'm going to tell you a little more. Yeah, now for C, I'm going to use two different colors. I'm going to use a little purple, right? Yeah, okay. After this, I'm going to see the B. Very nice, Anvi. Your B is looking interesting. Can you please show me, everyone? I want to see a little bit of your B's. Wow, Anya, it's looking amazing. Ridhima, very nice. Kanak, your color combination is good, yellow and red. Yes, kids, you can use yellow and red also. Divya, very nice. Okay, Veda, it's looking interesting. Samiksha, your color combination is also good. Great. So we are moving ahead. I have seen a lot of them. It's very good. So we are moving ahead to C now. You know, we are going to make a C little more interesting. Okay. As I have told you, we are going to make our outlines in a darker color, right? So what we are going to do, I guess you can see my notebook right now. I have done A and B. Now I am moving to the next part. I can't write down again, bacha. You can continue, like you can check it out here and then you can make it. I am marking again here because I don't have space here much. So what you are going to do, make three lines like mark three lines like this. Okay. Now we are going to make C. How we are going to make C? Please check it out. I am going to make a simple C. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a little space here and then again continue here. Okay, again I'm going to leave a space here and then we'll make it rounded. You know why I have left a space here? Because I'm going to make a big eyes here. Okay, so you can also leave a space like this, and I have just made a round C. That's it. Okay, after this, I'm going to add my eyes here. How I'm going to add my eyes here? Okay, I'm going to make a little big eyes here. Little big. Okay, and here, I'm going to make it a little small. Let's make it 1 and 2. And yes, I can add eyebrows. And yes, you can add a little interesting eyebrows here. Okay. Here, what we have to do is, as I have made my eyes, what we can do is we can also add a smile. The smile can be here. Hi. Okay. Now what I can do is, though I can fill it up with a different color, or I can add a similar color. Okay, but yeah, the purple is little dark, so I'm going to fill orange color inside, because purple and orange has a good combination with each other. And kindly don't fill up the eyes. Kindly don't fill up the eyes or a smile which you have made. Yeah, in this way you can fill it up slowly. If you have any type of color, you can fill it up with that, right? Though you can also add a little bit part to it. Like that means we have to add our shadows to it. Okay, so how to add a shadow? As per our rule, if the light will come from the left side, uh, if the lights will come from the left side, the shadow will come to the right side, like this, and add shadow to the alphabet. And then, yes, a little bit shadow here also. And kindly make your shadow according to your alphabet, how your alphabet looks. Yes, whenever we stand anywhere, our shadow looks like us only, right? It is a replica of ours, right? So we here also what we have to do is we have to give a, it should look like your alphabet. What is the shape of your alphabet? It should take that shape only. Okay, C is not nice. You didn't like my C? No, I liked it. Okay, if you didn't like it, let's add some interesting part to it. I am going to add the hands to it. Do you want to add a hands to it? Okay, here I've added one of our hand. C as a hand. Okay, you can also add on that part if you want to. Okay. So yeah, something funny should be like something, the alphabet should look interesting, and it should look like they have the expressions. Okay, they are lively and they have expression, so you should give something interesting part to it. Is that fine? I hope you all are getting my part. Okay, now we are going to add something more interesting part to our alphabets. Let's do that. Yeah, what we are going to do, I am going to take a gray color, or you can take a black color, whichever you want to. Now I'm going to tell you one really interesting part. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make around here like this. Okay, here I'm going to add my D. Check it out how I'm going to add my D. Here I'm going to look. A man is listening a phone. Okay. So I am going to add the expression to my man as well as to my phone. Here is a man who has ear. Here is a man like this. Can you see a man here? I can see a man. Okay, I've added the eyes to my man. You also add an eyes to your man. Look here, what I did, I just added an oval. I just made an oval, left a little space here, and then I made S here. Then I made S here. Okay, and then I made 3 of our ovals. It is really easy. Shall I tell you once again? Can you please see here? I'm going to make it ear once again. Make an oval like this. Okay, add a small line here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add S here like this. And then made a round oval 1, round oval 2, round oval 3. And then added an eyebrows to my eyebrows to my eyes like this, and add in one more oval for your ear. I hope you all are getting this man. Can you see this man? Okay, I can see this man. Yeah, now this man, this man is listening. Okay, let's add some hairs to the man. Yeah, I have a hair, like my man has hair. Now I'm going to add a telephone to it. Please check it out how I'm going to make a telephone. Okay. I have added a squares here and just made this. And then again, I'm going to make it like this. So this is a phone which a man is hearing. Yeah, is that true? This man is hearing a phone? Yes, and you can make a fingers here that this man is holding a phone. Did you got it? Yes, I guess this D is interesting. You like this D? I love this D. This is my personal favorite D. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a color to the face. So the color of the face is whether it is brown or yellow or orange or skin, whichever four, like we can use 4 colors on the face of the man. Okay, you can add any color, like any 4 colors: yellow, skin, orange, and light brown. Okay, so you can add any color. Though I have here right now I have a little skinish color, so I'm going to like add on this skinish color here. Okay, so I'm making it little like this so that it should look a man. You can make a standing line so that it should look a man. I can see my man. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill a color to my phone also. On the hand, you can add a similar color, whichever you have used in your face, and then add color to your phone. Okay, it's done from my side. I have made my D. Can you please, you also, everyone, you can also darken up your stuff after doing this part. Okay, yeah. That is really fine. If you have a plain notebook, you can make 2 lines and then you can do it. I have just made like in my own way. I haven't used much lines here. So you can do it in that way only. I hope you liked my D. I want to see your D as much interesting. So everybody make it. Yeah, Anvika, it is looking really good. You have tried it well. You need a little more practice and then you can make it a really more interesting. Okay, Shreya, it is looking good. Very good, Gitanjali. I can see yours. Okay, Titishka. Yeah, that's good. You can make your phone little more interesting and big. Okay. Yeah, otherwise it's looking good. Here, we are going to make E now. And E, we are going to make it little more interesting, like a dog kind of stuff on it. Yeah. Okay, I can see a lot of kids. Beautiful, Tanishka. Your all the alphabets are looking amazing. Now we are moving ahead to E now. You can use a black sketch pen for the outline. It's up to you. Yeah, you can do it in the 10 centimeter. It's up to you, kids. Like if you have a plain paper, you can do it in a 10 centimeter stuff also, like a 3 centimeter stuff also. It's up to you. Yeah, moving ahead to the next part. I am again adding the lines here, like marking the lines so that we can make the similar height of the alphabets. Okay, how I am making the lines? Can you show me a C? Yeah, you can see it once, and then I will move ahead. Everybody, please complete till D, and then we will move ahead to the next alphabet. Look, kids, I am telling you a different concept in each and every alphabet. You can also, yeah, you can also add on any way which you want to. Is that fine? I am telling you the easiest way of making them. Yeah, I'm waiting, Freya. You can continue writing. Yeah, you can continue doing, and show me a thumbs up if you all are done till here. I hope you all are done till here. Yeah. So I'm moving it in the next on the next page. I'm starting with E now. You know, I am going to write down something interesting in my E. So let's do it. I'm going to make my E like a kind of dog. Let's make it. Make a straight line here. Then make a sleeping line here. And add a big nose of your. Check it out. It's kind of an animal. Come down and make a small sleeping line here. After this, what I'm going to do is, yeah, after this, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a sleeping line here, and now I'm going to make here a 1, 2, 3. You can say a mustache. No, you cannot say a mustache actually. A part of hair on a chin. Okay, and then we'll move up like this, and then we'll again make a sleeping line here. It's a kind of animal. Okay, like a dog. We can make a dog here. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add a straight line here. This is my E. Let's see how it will be interesting, how much interesting we can make it. Okay. Yeah, I have added a nose and added a hair here. Now I'm adding a teeth here. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm adding a ears here. 1, 2. Yeah, I'm adding a tongue here. Look here. 1, 2. Okay. And let's add an eyes. You can say a dinosaur. No, actually, it is not a dinosaur. Actually, it looks okay. It's up to you, whatever you want to say it. Yeah, I can say it's like an animal. We are just adding a face of an animal, okay? It's up to you how you you want to say it. Okay, for a tongue, I'm going to use a red color. For a tongue, I'm going to use a red color. And for the animal, I'm going to use a light blue color. You can use any color which you want to. Though you can use brown, you can use any color. So I am going to use my light blue color. You can use any of it. And kindly don't color the part where you have used your black sketch pen or something. Okay, so that it should look whatever you did earlier. You can also darken up after coloring. You can also color with the crayons. Okay, you can use crayons, and or you can use any pencil color also. It will help you. Yeah, and after I am not filling up my teeth. Teeth are always white, though I am filling up this part. So I can darken up my my outline also after coloring. And I'm filling up my nose as well. Why not? I hope you all are getting it, and it's everything is getting interesting and easy. Yeah, my E is looking really interesting, and I can see Sinchana, your E is also looking very beautiful. I want to see your E, kids. Beautifully done, Freya. Wow, very good. Oh, wow, I can see Tanishka's. Tanishka, your green part is looking really good. Galaxy M31, I don't know your name, but yeah, it's looking good. Very good, Dakshita. Very good. I can see a lot of kids here. I guess your E is interesting. Okay. Yes. So now we are moving ahead to F. Do you all want to make F? Oh, wow. Very good, kids. So we are going to make F now. Again, I'm going to use some outline color. Okay. Let's make it. I am going to make it like a fish. Okay. Let's make it like a fish. Yeah, Rajvi, I can wait. You can continue writing, and then I will move ahead to F. Kids, if we cannot do all the alphabets today, we can continue to the next session. Okay, because yeah, I am going to give most of it. Like all the alphabets have their own different way of doing. Okay, we have whenever we suppose here we are going to make a whale kind of thing. In every alphabet we have a different concept. For K we have how we are going to make a banana. For P we are going to make a snake, a pole on a snake. We have a lot of things to do, right? In a different way, so we are going to do in the next session as well. So today, now for the F, we are going to make a whale kind of stuff. Yeah, let's start off. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make my standing line around up and around here. Yes, if you have a doubt, you can ask me. Make a big eyes here, because whale have a good big eyes. Again, I'm going to make a big eyes here. Okay, and then we'll make F like this. If you have a doubt, you can ask me anytime. Yeah, you can put in a chat panel, like I'll check it out. Okay, moving ahead to the next part now. Yeah, moving ahead to the next part, I'm going to add the yeah, it will be on YouTube. You can check it out from there. I'm going to make eyes here, a big interesting eyes of a whale. Okay, now whale has a big part here and this part here as well. Okay, and you can add, you can give a different kind of face here by adding this to your eyes, that it should look little angry whale. Okay, yeah. And then we can also add a big smile here like this. Okay, like this. It should look little interesting. And yeah, we can add a little red color down here so that it should look like there is a tongue of a whale. Okay, now you can add any two colors here. You can add a light like here. What I'm doing is I am going to add some two different colors. So my veil is of blue color, right? So I'm going to add a darker blue here. You can see, and I'm not filling the full color. I am just adding a small straight lines. I'm not filling up a full color. Okay, because it should look little bit interesting. So here I have a light color. You can also add some light colors. Okay, here I'm putting the light color. You can also add any color. You can add, it's up to you. Yeah, my veil is looking little more angry. You can make it in a either way you want to. Okay, but yeah, you can add things to it. You can outline in a proper way so that it should look more angry. Yeah, so I am done with my F, and it is looking little different. Okay, yeah. Very good, Sinchana. Yours is looking really good. Make it, everyone. Okay, so next will be G. Let's write down G. Yeah, I am waiting. Shamitha, you can complete your work. Okay, I am waiting for you. Here we are going to make a G interesting. Okay, we can make a tap kind of thing to G. Let's do that. Complete this part and then we will make. Okay, you know what we are going to do here? We are going to make G. As you all know how to make G, we are going to add C here like this and stop. And here also what we are going to do, you can make a monster letter if you want to. I am going to give a different concept to all the alphabets. Rest is up to you. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make a cup here. I am going to make a cup here. Here. Like you can make it like a garden, you know. A tap is running here. Okay. Water is coming here. Yeah. And you can make it like a garden. Yeah. We can also add a leaves here. Leaf or a flower. How we can add a leaf or a flower? Check it out. Yeah. Okay. How to add a leaf or a flower here? I'm going to add a leaf here like this and will color. I'm going to add a flower here like this. You can also add a leaf here. Okay, it should look like the garden stuff, that here is a garden, and we can also add a leaf here. Okay, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to color my stuff, a yellow part here. Okay, and a green part on my leaves. Okay. So here, what it is looking like a garden, garden kind of stuff. Okay. Though you can also add, if you want to add a tap kind of thing, you can also add that part. Okay. And water is coming here like this. Yeah. So my G is looking really interesting. I want to see your G, how it is looking. Okay. Yeah, please show me, kids, how your G is looking. If you can make a animal kind of thing, you can also do that way. It's up to you. But yeah, I am giving a meaning to your alphabets. You can make it in that way. I hope you all are getting this part. Yeah, everyone kindly show me your G. Kindly show me your G. Okay, Shinchna, your G is looking good. Riddhi, your G is also looking good. Dakshita, very nice. Kanish, Tanishka, okay, you have made full bin kind of thing. It is also looking really good, Tanishka. It's up to your imagination for the drawing, how much you can make it more interesting, and imagine like how you can add your doodling, more doodling part to it. Okay. Doodling means when we give our imagination to the things. Very good, Sinchana. Okay, so we are going to move. I hope you all are done. You can show me a thumbs up if you're very nice. Sonakshi, very nice. Vishistha, very nice. Sridhanya, it's looking good. Okay, very good. Veda, you are making good. Ridhima, I can see a lot of kids are already done with this part. So now I am going to make my H more easy. Let's make it easy and interesting. Okay, here we have made different alphabets, right? Somewhere we have made some monsters, somewhere whale, somewhere garden. So now we are going to make our H little more easy and interesting. What I'm going to do is just make a big eyes of my H. Okay, again, I'm going to make a big eyes of H. And then here we are going to add here like this. Okay, we just have to add some sleeping lines also. So what we are going to do, okay, make this and come down again with this part. Okay, you can see I have added something interesting. I have made this one big, like small, and this one little big. If you want to make it in a similar way, it's up to you. If you want to make it in a different way, it's also up to you. Okay, and then add it here. It's up to you how you want to add on expression and things to it. So my eyes are black with this, with my eyebrows and an interesting cute smile. Okay, you can also add a shadow here if you want to, and you can also add a easygoing single lining shadow. If our light is coming from the left side, uh, so the shadow will always be on the right side. If you want to make a single lining shadow, then also you can make it. You can see here I have made it a single lining shadow to my alphabet. You can also do it in that way. The H is really simple, but yeah, I can see it interesting. Am I correct? It's really simple, but yeah, it's interesting what I can feel. Yes, everyone. You can add on any color again. If you don't want to add a color, that is also up to you. Or if you want to, look, I have a gray color here, a light shadow, like light gray color. If you want to add that gray part, then also you can do it. If you have. If you don't have, you can add any crayon color. Look here. So it's done. My edge is looking interesting, I guess. Yes, I can see. I want to see yours. Okay, very good, Minaz. Good. Uh, that was also a different kind of edge. Okay, I want to see yours, kids. Beautifully done, Titiksha. Yours is looking good. Very good, Titiksha. Very good, Shreya. Very good, Tanishka. Amazing. Okay, Sonakshi, your colorful edge is amazing. Good, everyone. Okay, very good, Sinchana. Good. Very good. So guys, now we are done till H. We have done till H, and each and every alphabet had their own, like,